Hey, it's Lulu, and we are here with the January glam bag. This month we have a blue and white striped bag with a pink zipper. The first product that we have here is a Skin & Co. Aromatherapy Truffle Face Gamage that claims to be a delicate exfoliating cream. Unfortunately, I wasn't a huge fan of this product because it does not have much granules to properly exfoliate the face. It ended up feeling more like a cream-based cleanser rather than an exfoliator. The next item that we got here is the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation in Medium Sand. This is an old YouTube favorite. Ipsy actually did a fairly good job color matching me. I actually used to own the full size of this foundation a couple years ago. It was actually the first high-end foundation that I have ever bought with my money. What I like about this foundation is its texture is really mousse-like and creamy, which makes it really easy to apply with your fingers. Despite its ideal texture, I actually hated it back then because I chose the wrong shade. I was part of the epidemic that strikes many high school girls trying to have gorgeous skin like J-Lo, but comes out looking like J-Lo. All jokes aside, I'm actually quite happy that I got a second chance to try out this foundation in the right shade because I'm loving the finish. Next up, we have a single eyeshadow from the brand Ella Eden in the color Willow. It's a soft burgundy color with pretty decent pigmentation. Now we have a blush serum from Botanic Beauty in the shade Sunrise. This liquid blush is plant-based and made of apricot fruit extract. Upon swatching it, I was shocked. This thing is pretty darn pigmented. A little can go a long way. So I started blending with my fingers, but switched to a brush and that did the job. I was a little worried that it would look overly pigmented, but as I blended it into my skin, the pink melted into my cheeks, leaving a nice tint of pink. To be honest guys, I'm actually kind of tired of receiving these black liners in these beauty subscription boxes, but I do at least appreciate that this was a travel size one.